What, first of all, is the future of Teva? I'm sure you've already looked at the company. Might be a little bit too soon to have an exact clear picture of what you want to do, but what's your first instinct?
Yeah, so it's a little too early for me to give specifics on what we will do. Of course, I will, together with the board of directors and management, develop a clear strategy for how to take the company forward. But what excites me about it is that Teva has a very strong heritage and are today the world's leading manufacturer of generic medicines, basically supplying high-quality medicine to more people in the world than anybody else. And at the same time, based on its R&D, it has developed within the CNS area, in areas such as multiple sclerosis, in areas as migraine and so on, unique patented products. So a very interesting combination.
All right, Mr. Schultz, you're known as an aggressive cost cutter. Where does Teva have room to cut?
That's way too early to say, but I think all companies in the world need a strategy that sort of supports their long-term future. And in the case of Teva, I think it looks very exciting and promising based on the broad foundation of the company. But of course, it's also important to secure that you are efficient and competitive.
Why did you take the job given all the challenges? What was appealing for you?
Well, I'm the kind of person who likes challenges, so I've always been inspired by challenges. So if it's very challenging and very complex, then I normally thrive on that.
All right. What is, I don't know if you've thought about dividends, whether dividends can be restored, or how much of a priority that will be compared to the rest that you have to do at the company?
I think that's, again, it's too early to comment on specifically. But of course, the key element is always to secure that you have a strong business performance, and then the other financial aspects sort of comes second.
So when you start, what will your priorities be? Again, I know it's difficult questions because you've just been announced, but how long do you think it will take to put Teva back on the offensive?
It's, of course, something I can't comment on specifically, as you said right now. So I'll sort of have to repeat myself that I will work together with the board and management to very fast formulate a clear strategy. And the moment we've done that, we will, of course, communicate that to both externally and internally and secure that we bring the company on a steady strategic course.